Wack 100. I think you're 50 something by now. At your age. But yeah, I'd rather hang out with 6ix9ine before any gang member. I'd rather hang out with 6ix9ine before any gang member in America. Why? Because George Zimmerman is still alive. But Wack 100. Please grow up and act your age. You acting like a kid. I think you and Meek Mill should boss each other in the ring or something. I will put my money on Meek Mill. Rest in peace, Lil Snoop. But Wack 100, please act your age. Stop acting like a kid. But yeah, 6ix9ine, hit me up, man. Sign me to your record label.